How to update credit card on Amazon. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how can you update your credit card on Amazon. To do it so, you have to open up your Amazon first of all and log into your account. As logged in, what next you want to do is navigate to your payment in your account settings. So click on the U icon from the bottom of the page, go to Amazon Pay and go to manage payment options. As you do it so, if you need to change the expiry date or name or billing address for an existing card, select the card and click edit. Then to add a new card, you simply want to click on add a payment method, and if the card has expired or been replaced, you will click edit, then click on remove from the wallet. After making changes, click save to confirm your updates. You could also set as a default payment method for your purchase, and that way you'll be able to update credit card on Amazon. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.